Good day guys. In this video, I will show you how to create custom stickers for Facebook Messenger. Let's begin. First, take a photo of stuff that you want to make into sticker. Open it, then tap and hold the subject of the photo until a white outline appears around it. Lift your finger, then in the pop-up option, tap copy. Close the photo or camera app, then open the Messenger app. Then start a chat with one of your contacts. Tap the message box, then in the pop-up option, tap paste. A pop-up window will appear showing the sticker. Tap the send button. On this part, your created sticker is now saved to your sticker tray. To send the sticker to your other friends, all you have to do is start a chat with them. Tap the blue smiley icon in the message box for the sticker tray to show up. Then tap the custom sticker that you want to send. That's it, guys. So if you want to create another custom sticker, all you have to do is repeat the whole process. Thanks for watching, guys.